Hello. Who this? Stone? Oh God. Hey, anyway. What you say? Alright, you know what, boy? We're not gonna discuss this on the phone. Now switch grass, come check it by your block. Alright? Manners. Baby girl. You know say me have to run out on the road for a minute though. You hear that? So forward.
Okay. George,
Yes, sweetie?
make sure you're back for dinner.
No problem, babes. I will.
Are you okay, baby? No, man, I'm not. You okay? No. But we're going to be okay. Is it possible for me to hate this man anymore? All I want you to know is that we'll get through this together. I'm worried about Karim, mommy. I just want to know if he's okay. No. And I'm hoping that he is too. Alright?
What is now? We're not plan another coup.
Where is Karim? And what did you do with Aaron?
Don't worry yourself, man. Your boyfriend and your daughter's little gangster, they're okay. Have a good day.